When I was a small boy, whatever, I didn't get Grotto Sabuk. I either run a wishing Grotto Naji Ukulele. And a friend asked me, how many strings is that? A Kamba friend. How many strings is that? And I said it's 4 strings. Hiyo sio guitar. Guitar iko na waya sita. This one has 4. And I was starting to say when I was a small boy, I made a guitar out of a tin, some wood, and a few steel strings, and it had 4 strings like this one. So I'm going to sing a song with an ukulele. Aba, ainasiagi ningi asini no amura, engai na rashireri sharai, ni nene, ololoro shila ranaba, ni ginjo, osiligyo de darasi. Aba, ainasiagi ningi asini no amura, engai na rashireri sharai. Ni nene oloro shila tanaba ni ginjo osilige de darasi baba aira yesu baranga ina nyora aira aishage no ye aira yesu baranga ina nyora aira baba ye uishongera ndomono nemera indara bosh nabolia na idingo siligi iyo gordo ola lodo ni lolo gugel eye dali engiro wengisi senga na ino baba aira yesuba kaina nyo aira yesuba raisha genoye aira yesuba ranga ina nyo ra yesuba baba aira yesuba kaina nyo aira yesuba. Hello, my name is Teto Tutuma, an artist, a parent, and philanthropist. And today I reach you through the social media and the magnificence of technology to inform you about our brand, Ol'Aimerri, on TikTok, Ol'Aimerri.media. If you have been interested in the Maasai language and the Maasai culture, you can even get free lessons on TikTok. All over social media, Ol'Aimerri TV on YouTube, Ol'Aimerri on Instagram and Facebook, Teto Tutuma as well on Facebook and Instagram, on YouTube particularly Teto Tutuma. Please follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, and learn so much about the Maasai culture and the language, as well as get a few free lessons on how to speak the language. Pakanya bengre gisungu. Yetukul amu mera na lana bu. Na masak ongirogno abagi tinne niti ka jangarna Teto Tutuma ati a civil tukul na enjure na ji Ol'Aimerri ke au urkwa kene ke agu singolium aja na sinanu ne ke au enko wala moni lenki bongata ongeje banguragno ongeje tene bosininye urkwa enkaje tabage kiara Maasai na erubadani na ara ke jor ngulai kara lo baba sidai ni kiara murano yolong kai kugira jere idobrasi enankala mun ndu kisungu engro na ola shumbai kaki ore ya nira keoni nonon masa nini yolo kuna pipogin orgilara amu yesibane aratipat toye ormishire neja sini nyagedu aja nasina nona urboror wolo show amu ki wori gino kiara lotion kumok olendo ormasa yolo ya joga lotion ormasa oti ya to sini we the comment kage ora bagi anyoraga sininye na ikipodari tena te social media aroligyo na brand spoken indi nitu mengitenga ra enkrototo enkutuk ajena sinanu na tenebo Olturoto oriki obarakino turkwak lormasani kiasana ana holiday coaching tongera toljogi tinewede comment tana yisi ninche kuna lessons najo naishole